Hello everyone. I'm Laule. First of all, thank you for your support and coming back to my channel. Here, many of you already know how to install and use ReactJs on OS. Today, I will share with you how to install and use ReactJs on Docker. This will help you create and deploy projects to work with your team quickly. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone. First we need to open my blog. My blog is levelloud.net, and the four videos today I will show just we go to the topic yet about the Docker and about the GS framework library JavaScript. Okay, and for today, yet we will install and use GS on Docker. Okay. There is a small note here because Docker runs independently on the every OS, and so um, you you can use this example of the video today for the other OS. For example, Ubuntu Linux or Mac OS. Okay, no problem. Uh, For today, I run Zig resemble on the Windows OS, and the first we need to install some tools for the Git, Docker Compose, VScode um, on the OS. We will go to the step one. That we need to pull the code from the GitHub I already prepared before. Yet, and so we create a folder to the contain this code. Something like that. And to open this folder with the VScode window. And yet open terminal to run some the command line with dot as well. Okay, and next we need to run the some command line with git. Git I need to align the git connect with pitwing git server and with local and the pull code to the our machine. And pull code to the our machine. Okay, we can see from the right menu VScode window there are some files. Docker file, there are some information here. It is very simple. Yep. Docker Compose, there is only one service. Okay, it is a React project, our project. Okay. We finished step one. Now we go to the step two. So we need to configure and run some Docker commands to create image and the create container. Yep. First, we need to create an app folder. An app folder in the main folder. Yet root folder here. Create folder app. Okay. This folder will contain code of the app project. Okay. Next, we will I need to align project the app with this command line. This command line. Um, Let me explain some information about this command line. We can see this command line run web service. Here, web service in the Docker compile with the configure here. Okay, with this command line of uh, the support from the node with the ReactJs. Okay, np is create React app and the name folder. The name folder here and for the app this app. Okay, and normally we will run get this command line np is create React app on the OS Windows Ubuntu Linux Mac to the create get to create a React project yet normally, but with the Docker that we will the Docker compose run and the at the this command line here. Yet for the create a React project in the Docker. Okay, and the run process is running. It's total not yet with support from the not the Docker yet on the hub the Docker. And here, okay, process we try the yes. This process takes a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Lies when we create a GR project on the OS. Okay, and please wait a minute to the successful to the finish. After process the successful, we will have a subcode of the React project inside the app folder here. Okay. This process belong to with the configuration of your machine. Just click on the slide for your configuration your machine computer. Okay. Let me explain some information about the Docker file. The Docker file, we can see what the app here, and it is a folder inside the container. Inside the container contain everything about the subcode the app project, and here, okay. And on the Docker compose file, um, after container with the web service, it created successful. Yet we will run the command npm start yet to run React project on the browser with ports 3001. Why? Default yes 5000 yes 5000 port is a default port of the React project, but we can reset change another port yet for example 3001 to run our host machine. Okay, and you can change any port on your host machine. Okay, and we have a environment variable here. Watch path polling equal to this means normally the React project run the OS, runs OS when we click Yet when we press key control, yet control and S to say, yet to say every chain from the your React project. Okay, and everything will uh, change immediately. Yes, immediately on the project uh, of the React project, and uh, this will uh, have some different that with when we React project inside the Docker, inside the container on Docker. We need to environment variable here. What to path polling equal to yet to the handle this problem. This problem when when we press keyboard control and S everything will change. It will change from the scope of the our machine and the to the container cool container on the React project. Okay, immediately. Yeah. And volume, get volume here. We can see the left of the column, uh, column. Yet the is it is inside everything inside the after folder here, and the right of the column here. Yet this app folder, app folder is the folder inside container. Get inside container. The volume, the connect, get the connect pickwing, pickwing our machine. Get it to the container on the Docker. Okay. Okay. Uh, the process successful. Get finished. Done. Okay. And um, next, we need to run this command line to the create the component and run component. Okay. Uh, we need to the recheck the if there any image in the Docker at the moment. Yet there are two images. Yet there are two images here, and not support for this is some support to run React project and the service. Just image the service here. Yet wait our wait React project uh, here, and uh, yet we try to check yet if there any container. We can say no container here yet, and now we will run this command line. Yet this command line will yet create container and run that container. Yet container for the container name. Yet container with the container name my website. Okay, creating my website done, and we need to recheck. Here we can see there is a container with the name my website, and with the status up yet it is running. It's run, yet it's run, and with the port 3001. Okay. Um, this mean our the app project is ready for running. Yet okay. We finish step 2. Now we go to the step 3 and open on our browser yet to run the rest URL and the see result. And here we can see the page isn't working. Here we need to wait we need to wait the some yet some second yet for the I need to align yet I need to align and run yet run project then project React project for the first time. Okay, it take some second to run something, just something so long, just something so long a little bit. Okay, and we need to wait some second. Okay, don't worry because our React project is running. Just either initializing. Okay, initializing from the Docker. Okay, we can see you can see our React project is running. Is running. For first time, it takes uh, okay, it works. And we can see on the browser that our React project works and it's running. Yep, it's running here. And um, now we will make to change. You made some change from the subcode of the React project. We can see yeah change some text here. Okay, something like that. Yeah, type like that. Okay, and sign. But we need to type the code combos. Get up minute D. Just for the update. Just for the update. For the updating from the our machine to refresh from the container. Just from container. And refresh and refresh from project to change something. If we write some code from the from the project on the OS, there are some different. Yet there are some different from with the container on the Docker because when we yet when we press just when we press keyboard our keyboard control and s just to sign the sum chain just to sign the sum chain everything will it will change the immediately immediately on the browser with the app project but with the on the container the with container on the Docker we need to we need to wait some second yet some second for the chain. Yep. and especially for the first time, the first time when we initialize and run the first time with our project. Yep. Please, please wait some second. Yeah, sometimes it takes a long time. Okay, we can see that there are some chain here. Yet there are some chain here, and for yet from the second yet from the second time that everything or will be quick, more quick, and chain yet control S just press control S on the keyboard, and we need to refresh our project. That we can see there are some the chain here. Yep. Okay, very cool. It is yet done. Until now, that we finish finish everything about this video today. Install and use the app on the Docker, and I hope we will apply. We will apply this example for the some your project, your job, and your studying, just sort of thing. Thank you listening and watching. Just see you next time. See you another video. Goodbye.